Hey guys, uh, Wraith here. Um, Welcome to my printer build. It's about to start on my channel. Uh, wait, I show you. Uh, this is the build. Has no name yet, but planning on one. It's not working fully working yet. I only got one axis moving. Uh, The ramps board is newly soldered. Um, it had a fixing point here, but it's now out because I still need to code it. It says the printer is ready, but it's not fully functional. The thermistors are on. The heating element is okay. Okay, I don't really have a bed thermistor yet. It hasn't arrived yet, but it's on the way. Uh, but um, so far it's just the motors that are not working. But the x-axis, I once had the y-axis working. The x-axis was not working. It was just vibrating. By that time, I hadn't calibrated well on the front surface. Running side by side is front surface and win something. Visual Basics. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. I can't remember. But I'm using Platform IO as a plugin. I'm not using the auto build yet because I'm using a previous build of Marlin. It says it doesn't have the pin IO. But yeah, uh, we can try to start to see what's working and what's not working. You see, at the moment, it says at times it works, at times it doesn't work. This thing is complicated, man, and it's yeah. But yeah, we're in here for it. So yeah, so far that's what I've gotten to with my printer build. Planning to actually moving forward with the upgrades. Trying my best. Let's see. Please share, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on the build.